Welcome to Cooking and Cuisine Thursday. Are you ready to test your brain? Some say there's a fake hiding here. Do you believe them? What is the primary role of eggs in a quick bread recipe beyond adding flavor? Boom! Correct. To provide structure and bind ingredients. What is the name of the process used to stabilize beer and prevent cloudiness by removing proteins? That's right, fining. Which type of tea is often prepared using a gaiwan, a lidded bowl without a handle, common in Chinese tea ceremonies? Correct, oolong. Which of these is a common ingredient in Peking duck, contributing to its crispy skin? That's right, maltose syrup. What ingredient is used to make the glaze for glazed ham, a popular holiday dish? Boom! Correct, honey. Which popular Thai beer brand, often seen at college parties and happy hours, is known for its green bottle and elephant logo? Correct, Chang. What is the name of the creamy tomato soup often paired with grilled cheese sandwiches, a popular comfort food? That's right, bisque. What is the name of the fermented pineapple drink often used as a base for tepish? Correct, tepish. Beyond slicing, what is another common use for a cheese wire? Correct, separating cake layers. What fish is most commonly used in traditional British fish and chips? Correct, cod. That's a wrap. Hit follow so you don't miss famous landmarks tomorrow.